Here in Kingston Town Hall, when did the last time did a native and a European hug?
It's my pleasure and my joy to welcome everyone of all colors, of all native lands, of all international backgrounds to our first ever peace tree planting summer solstice ceremony.
I came here to participate in one of the many traditions that seek to shift world culture into a more just culture that brings about the well-being of all people that exist on this planet by saying not only do we have obligations to other people, but also saying and recognizing the ways in which we have obligations to the land, to the water, and to the air. If we take care of the land, the water, and the air, it will take care of us. If we take care of other people, it will take care of us.
By doing these gatherings, we're reminding these towns and these places that we still exist and that we're still working towards peace.
Peace means that we accept each and every single person, no matter what their heritage might be, no matter what their sex might be, no matter what their orientation might be or their spiritual traditions might be.
Peace means the absence of negativity, the presence of love, letting love rule.
We hope that this little inspiration will be like a pebble dropped in the ocean, creating concentric rings that will go on out and will be affected to the people. So whoever is inspired today will take that inspiration and inspire others.
Me being here today moved me in a variety of different ways, but also helped me on my journey towards shifting world culture in a positive way for all people.
Healing has to start. It has to start. And by this, the tree planting, everybody here, this is how it starts.